Okay, so I have coded my E-Loop commercial to my Trans-50 and it's still not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a reset, just to be on the safe side. So to do a reset, we're going to press and hold the code button on the Trans-50, and we're going to wait for these 3 lights to flash 3 times, and that'll clear the memory on the Trans-50. This does take a few seconds, so have a little bit of patience. Okay, so that's uncalibrated now, and we're going to do the same thing with the E-Loop. So we're going to clear the memory, we're going to put the magnet into the set button, and we want to see 4 red flashes. Once again, this might take a few seconds, so have a little bit of patience. We want those 4 flashes to happen, otherwise it won't clear the memory. 2, 3, and we should see it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now both systems are cleared. So if I run my magnet across the unit, it's not going to work. If a vehicle were to drive over, it would not work. So now we need to recode. So to recode, we're going to press the code button once, blue light, 2 orange flashes here, which means that they're coded. And now the next thing I want to do is I want to calibrate the system. And to calibrate, we're going to put the magnet into the set button. And 2 red flashes. You're going to remove that magnet, and now we're going to wait for three red flashes here. And then we'll know that the system's calibrated. 2, 3. System's calibrated. So now if I were to run my magnet across, it will trigger my relay, and that's what my lights are doing. They're emulating the relay. And that's how simple it is. Hope that helps.